In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to clear cache on Snapchat. This can improve the app's performance, free up storage and fix minor bugs or glitches. By clearing the cache, you can make Snapchat run smoother without losing saved content like photos or videos. To do this, simply head to your Snapchat. You will want to tap onto your profile icon and head to Settings. On the Settings page, you will then navigate into the section of Privacy Controls. Select onto this very first option of Clear Data. Select Clear Cache. It's the very last option right here. Your Snapchat cache will get cleared successfully. Now since Snapchat accumulates temporary files to speed up loading, they can build up, hence slowing down the app and taking up valuable space on your device. So, clearing cache makes it a quicker and easy way to maintain better app performance. That's how easy it is to clear cache on Snapchat. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.